Living in Dallas means dealing with scorching summers and occasional chilly winters, both of which can drive up your energy costs if your home isn't properly insulated. One of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency and cut utility bills is by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. These windows help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce strain on your HVAC system, and create a more comfortable living environment. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of energy-efficient windows, how they work, and why they're a smart investment for Dallas homeowners. The benefits of energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows offer several advantages, including lower energy bills. By reducing heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter, energy-efficient windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature. This means your air conditioning and heating systems don't have to work as hard, leading to lower utility bills. Increased comfort. Say goodbye to hot spots near windows in the summer or cold drafts in the winter. Energy-efficient windows provide better insulation, making your home more comfortable year-round. UV protection. Many energy-efficient windows are designed to block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, carpets, and artwork over time. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a highway, energy-efficient windows can help reduce outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Environmental benefits. Using less energy means a reduced carbon footprint. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're making an eco-friendly choice that benefits both your wallet and the planet. How energy-efficient windows work. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies to minimize heat transfer. Here are some key features that make them effective. Low emissivity glass. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects heat back to its source, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Double or triple pane glass. Unlike single-pane windows, energy-efficient windows have 2 or 3 layers of glass with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, in between to enhance thermal performance. Insulated frames. The frame of the window also plays a role in energy efficiency. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames are excellent options for minimizing heat transfer. Warm edge spacers. These are used to keep the glass panes apart while reducing heat loss around the edges of the window. Why energy-efficient windows are essential in Dallas. Dallas experiences long, hot summers where temperatures often exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Standard windows can allow excessive heat to enter your home, causing your air conditioning system to run non-stop. Energy-efficient windows help block this heat, reducing your cooling costs significantly. During the winter months, these windows also prevent heat from escaping, ensuring your home stays warm without overworking your heating system. Given the extreme weather variations in Dallas, having windows that adapt to both hot and cold conditions is crucial for year-round savings and comfort. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows. When selecting energy-efficient windows for your Dallas home, consider the following factors. Energy Star certification. Look for windows that are Energy Star certified, as they meet strict energy performance standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. U-factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. The U-factor measures how well the window insulates, while SHGC indicates how much heat from the sun passes through. In Dallas, windows with a lower SHGC are ideal to minimize heat gain. Professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform efficiently if they're not installed correctly. Hire experienced professionals to ensure proper sealing and insulation. The return on investment. While energy-efficient windows require an upfront investment, they quickly pay for themselves through energy savings. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can save up to 30% on energy bills by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Additionally, these windows can increase property value, making them a great selling point if you decide to put your home on the market. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a practical way to lower your utility bills in Dallas, investing in energy-efficient windows is a smart decision. Not only do they enhance comfort and reduce energy consumption, but they also add value to your home and contribute to a more sustainable future. When choosing new windows, focus on energy-efficient features like low-E glass, insulated frames, and double or triple pane designs. With the right windows and professional installation, you'll enjoy year-round comfort and significant savings on your energy bills.